truthfully answer all the questions that will be raised by the members of this committee. With that, Mr. Chairman, I move to lift the order of contempt for Mr. Teddy Tumang on the basis that I have manifested a while ago, Mr. Chairman. So move, Mr. Chairman.
Well, I know that the movement has a compassionate heart, as well as the majority members of this committee. Therefore, there is now a motion to lift the contempt order issued to Mayor Tumang
Second.
and duly seconded. Any objections? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Mr. Chair,
Comsec.
Mark Taguba will start staying here in Congress tonight.
We still have to communicate with the Bucor.